my cell collection from Dragon Ball Z. So here we have cell first form, second form, and final form, and Ichiban Kuji last prize exploding cell, and another set of first form, second form, and final form. We have here the cell incubator. We have here cell stage. Here is the cell juniors, the cell egg, cell first form, second form, and final form, and the super cell. Have here the baby cell, the cocoon cell, and cell spy, and exploding cell, another exploding cell, and this is the cell that is what do you call this, structure cell now. So it's coming back to cell form. And here we have the time machine cell and my other perfect cell and other set of cell and cell max. So that's it for my cell collection.